How to hide photos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down, and here you see the option apps. Simply click on apps and then scroll down, and here you see the option photos. Simply click on photos, and then here you see the option show hidden album. Simply click on show hidden albums, turn on show hidden albums, and use face ID on your hidden album, and go back to home screen and open a photos library, and here you select a photo you want to hide, and simply click on these three button dot icon and click on hide. After that, scroll down and here see the album hidden. Simply click on hidden, and here you enter your face ID. After entering your face ID, you can see your hidden photos. So this is the way to hide photos in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.